In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to make sure the cancellation goes through without any confusion. First, make sure you're signed into your Smartsheet account using your usual login details. Once you're on the main Smartsheet dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might show your initials or a small profile picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu with options related to your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Plan and Billing Info. This is where Smartsheet keeps all of your subscription and payment details. Click on Plan and Billing Info, and you will be taken to a dedicated page that shows information about your current plan, billing period, and payment method. Take a moment here to glance over the details, especially the renewal date and plan type, so you know exactly what you're cancelling. On this same page, you should see an option or button that says Cancel Account. It may be lower on the page, so if you don't see it right away, scroll down until you find it. Once you've located the Cancel Account button, click on it. Smartsheet will usually show you a confirmation message or a short series of prompts to make sure you really want to proceed. This is normal for most subscription services. Carefully read any messages that appear. Smartsheet may remind you that cancelling the account could result in losing access to your sheets, dashboards, or other data after a certain date. If there's anything you still need, such as important reports or project plans, it's a good idea to pause and download or export those before you finish cancelling. When you're ready, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. This might include choosing a reason for cancelling or clicking a final confirm or yes button. Once that's done, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been cancelled or scheduled to end at the end of the current billing period. To be extra sure, you can check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation from Smartsheet, or return to the Plan and Billing Info section to verify that your subscription status has been updated. And that's it. You've now successfully cancelled your Smartsheet account using just a few simple clicks from your profile icon.